Hi, my name is Blake Phillips. I'm the president and CEO of Toxic Effects. We're here at our booth at TransWorld. I thought it'd be a good idea to show you a little something. We have some of our new products this year. We have our entire Runkin line, and then we have our crafts. We thought it would be a good idea to kind of make this your own canvas, put your own face, because we make our own little custom faces and everything. We thought that's cool, but thought it'd be a better idea so you can make your own. Of course, you can get the stuff from Michael's and Hobby Lobby and everything, but they sell out, and they sell out very quickly. So they're foam and latex, so they have a very thin latex coat, and then they're like a semi-rigid polyfoam. And the reason why it's thin is once you break that layer, you can really go into different depths of the craft pumpkin and show a really neat sculpture. So it's for those artists that already have the different style pumpkins that they carve into. You can do the same thing with this, and it lasts forever. So we put a weatherproof sealant on the outside, and then on the inside, what you can do with that option is it's actually a closed cell foam. So when you set it outside in the weather and everything, it doesn't really affect it at all. There's obviously two different styles of paint jobs. We have the green wash on our white guys and the brown wash on our white guys. I like this one better because it looks a little bit more detailed, but they were both requests. They wanted them white, they wanted them with a green wash, they wanted them white with a brown wash. So, you know, I just listen to what people want, what people need in their haunt or their retail store, theme park, whatever it is. I'm constantly listening. That's why we have this here today.